she alive? Unbelievable. With the fucking ult and my 3, she literally has fucking single-digit health. Thank you. Fucking Christ.
No tienes lo que se necesita.
Oh my god, I'm a fucking god! Let me out!
Let's get it
I read the fucking light melee!
Ulting onto mid.
Our blue walker is under attack.
It would be a shame if I...
Like slow. There are so many people here. No, big bebop.
Everybody, let's get into it. Get stoked, get started, get it started, get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here.
Lose control of body and soul. Don't move too fast, people just take it slow. Don't get ahead, just jump into it. Y'all hear about it? The P's will do it. Get started, get stupid. Don't worry about it, people will walk you through it. Step by step like an infinity. Inch with a new solution. Transmit hits with no delusion. If you ain't irresistible, that's how we move it.
Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stoked.
Shame if I just cancel that fucking immediately. And I didn't want to do damage. And I kill somebody in the middle of all 4 people.
Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started.
It'd be a shame if I just cancel that ult real quick, bud.
You want to make them say, "What is this guy doing? That's illegal. Kill him."
Please, guys, I'm doing so much!
Uchi. Oh, there are so many people here. No, they want me dead. Oh my god. They're all ulted.
I'm alive still! No! No, Sammy, please! I'll save you! I'll save you, buddy! Fucking kill his ass! Kill his ass, Sammy! Kill his ass! Yes! Get him! Get him! We win this! We win this! We win this! He's down off the front line! We win this!
Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started.
She's dead. She's dead.
Let's get it started.
I caught Warden! I caught Warden!
Let's get it
Oh fuck, they have a bebop.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here.
Can you get some damage in? Ow, okay, I gotta back up. They're doing too much damage to me. Sammy, you should probably back up as well.
You can certainly try.
Okay.
Oh, he's fine. Don't worry about it, bro. Do not fucking worry. This 7 is toasted. Oh, no, that ain't gonna save you, bud. No ult is gonna save you.
Lucky bastard. The fog's back. Nice. Oh no, oh no. God, I gotta back up. Shit.
Yeah, Calico's dead.
Oh my god, I hit him with that. I just blindly threw a dagger in there and it somehow hit.
You may have saved my life.
Fuck, damn, alright.
No! He got them! He meleeed me when I died! What?
Oh, run over.
Seven's dead, Walker's alive. Run in, Sammy, or run in, Connor, just go in as much as you can.
There, he's gone.
Again? It's happening again?
There we go.
Hey, Wardens, dude.
So low. Oh my god, Brand.
Oh, beautiful, Sammy, throw him on! Yes, dude! Beautiful, Sammy, beautiful! Yes, Sammy, go!
Seven's in the back.
We end here, go, guys, go! Come on.
Oh, Bebop, fuck.
Just shoot the thing.
Yeah, I couldn't, I was disarmed.
We did it! Let's go!
Holy shit.
Let's go!
Jesus Christ.
You want to make them say, what is this guy doing? That's illegal. Kill him.